Good day, students and viewers. In this video, we are going to look at some solved problems in set and number system. Here is the first problem here with us, and the problem is saying in a class of 50 students, 30 students like even numbers, 28 students like prime numbers, 20 students like both prime numbers and even numbers. Both even numbers and prime numbers. Using a Venn diagram, find the number of students who like only even numbers, the number of students who like only prime numbers, and the number of students who like either even or prime numbers. And the fourth question is saying the number of students who like neither even nor prime numbers. So to solve this, we drew a Venn diagram, and we know the rectangular part, meaning this is the universal set, which is 50. We have 50 students inside this set. The U is equal to 50, and we have basically two sets here to represent. So we have two sets. So let E represent the set of students who like even numbers. So let me represent it with E, and let P represent the set of students who like prime numbers. And so let's start. So we have 50 students, and in 50 students, even numbers, 30 students like even numbers, 28 like prime numbers, while 20 like both even and prime. So we have to start with those that like both. So those that like both are 20 students. So 30 like even numbers, but here is 30. Here is 28, those that like only prime numbers, 28. So we have 28 here. These like prime numbers. These ones like even numbers. But there are 20 that like both of them. Meaning here I still have, among these 30, there are those 20 that still like even numbers. So to get the exact number of students who like even numbers, so here should be what? 30 minus 20, who like only even numbers. So I have to remove those 20 that like prime numbers. So to answer the first question, the number of students who like only even numbers. So the number of students who like only even numbers, let me say the size of E only is equals to the size of E is equals to the number of students in E minus the number of students in E intersection P. I mean the size. But what is this size? This is just 30 minus 20, and the answer is 10. So I have only 10 students here who like even numbers. So I can clean this and put 10. Now the number of students who like only prime numbers. Those who like only prime numbers. Remember here I have 28, but among these 28 are 20 who like even numbers too. So this 28 will be 28 minus those who like even numbers, which are 20 among them. So meaning, to answer the second question, those who like prime numbers, their size is equal to the size of those who like prime set minus the size of those who like even intersection the prime numbers. So here I have to put a bracket. So this is equals to what? These are 28 in number minus those who like even number among them, and that is 20. So 28 minus 20, I have 8. So only 8 students like only prime numbers. So I have to clean this and put 8 here. The next question says the number of students who like either even or prime. So those students who like either even or prime numbers are, they like either even or prime. So those that like either even or prime are the number of students in E union P. But this is equal to the size of students in E union P, that is those even plus those that like primes. So I say here, but set minus the number of P intersection E. That is their size. So if you take the union, remember here formally we have 30, we have 28. So 30 union 28. 30, so this is 30, this is equals to 30 plus 28, and then minus what? Minus those who like, because this is the intersection, who like both, and that is 20. So if you solve this is going to give you 20 plus 30 plus this is 58. 58 minus 20, and this is 38. And this is the exact number if you sum up these ones. Because here we have removed all the intersection from here and all the intersection from here. So we just sum up what we have in the board on the board here, and we have the size. So this is equivalent to saying 10 plus 20 plus 8, and that gives 38. So the last question is saying the number of students who like neither even nor prime numbers. Those that don't like even, they don't like even numbers, they don't like prime numbers. They are just there in the class. They don't like any of the numbers. So to get this, they don't like even, they don't like prime. So to get this, the number of those who don't like even, so that is even union the prime number, prime meaning, or the let me put complement. So this is their size. So to get this out of the universal set, that is the size of U, the universal set, minus the size of what? Minus the size of this set, which is E union P. But that is equal to what? The size of U is 50, and the size of E union P is 38. So 50 minus 38, this number is 12. So I have only 12 students that don't like any of the two. So I can put my 12 here, anywhere inside the rectangle, but not inside any of the two sets. So these are 12 students who don't like any of the two. So that if you sum up 12 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10, you get back your universal set.